Today many people say love to be something else. But love is that thing that can bring unity between two different things. Why did I say that? Because it is the love of God that is making God, who is holy, to unite with us even in our unholy nature, thereby causing him to look upon us with his eyes of love to see that we are holy. So after this is being said and done, I want you to know that love is what will unite all religions together, all political parties together, all nations together, all human race together, all associations together, and everything that have breath on this earth together. If you love me enough, you will give your life for me and not take my life. And if I love you enough, I will give my life for you and not take your life. So you see that love is above. Love is beyond the way we are saying love to be. Love is more than how we see it to be. Love is that thing that can actually bring two things that are opposite in nature together. Like the Christians and the Muslim, it is love that we need to unite together. Like different race, the white and black, we need love to unite together. Like the classes in life, the rich and the poor, we need love to unite together. In everything in life, it is love that can unite us, just like the way that the love of God is uniting us, we that are not perfect, to him who is a perfect being. Thank you. God bless you. Love is the answer.